Hey, how you doing? This Tom, and this Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm in my radio room, a la garage. And when I did a video on this new RADDY RF757, I got a comment. Oh, excuse me. I got a comment that I shouldn't be comparing it to the Tecsun radio back here. And I wasn't trying to compare it. I was using the Tecsun radio, the S-220X, as a reference because it right now is my best radio. So I was using it to find stations, and then I was going to see if this little radio would find them too. That was what my point was. But the person says, no, you're comparing them. Well, I wasn't comparing them. So he suggested, which is a great suggestion, that I do a comparison of a similar radio to this one. So I got my Tecsun PL-330 radio out, which is right now about the same price, $80. And I did a scan using the Tecsun, and now I'm doing a scan using the RADDY. So I'm going to use those as comparison. Lots of variables, of course, just within a few seconds, band condition could change. The approximation location of the radios could make a difference. You just don't know. But here goes anyway. So I finished the scan on the Tecsun, and I'm going to write down what I found, why this one, which takes forever to scan, is still scanning. So let's see what we found. We found music on 4.840. Okay. Now I'll go up. 510. 5.010. Did not find WWV. It's there, but it's kind of weak. That's pretty strong. 5.025. It's got a hum on it. Don't know why. Whoop. Whoop. Wait for me. Okay, that's 525. 5.890. That must be out of Nashville, Tennessee. It's very strong. 5.935. Picked up a lot of stations. It's about 6:30 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. 6.030. I get that one all the time. 9330. Very strong. Whoops. Why am I doing that? Okay, let's try this. 49. Oh, God, screwed that up. Christmas. Oh, yeah, that's almost Christmas. Let's go back to memories. A little touchy here. Okay, that's the last one. I want 8. Wait, it only found 8? Yeah, it only found 8 stations. That's all. It's like it didn't scan the rest of the band. All right. We'll have to check that. Okay, this is finishing up. Turn this down. I don't know. I'm going to do another scan while I'm waiting on this one. This might be a long video. Okay. These buttons are hard to push. Okay, I'm going to watch it now. Make sure it goes through the whole band. It implied that it didn't. This one has found 13 signals. And that one found seven signals on that first pass. So let me set it down. And notice how bright this display is. I mean, what I've heard is the initial release of this radio had display problems. Several people had display problems. As you can see, my display is working great. It's very easy to read, even though it's very small print. We're up to 27 megahertz. Okay, we're up to 7.5, 9, 9.3, 9.4. This one seems to scan a lot faster, the Tecsun. Wow, it seemed to jump from 9 to 11. I'm not sure why you did that. I guess maybe it's scanning the international broadcast bands. I haven't used this radio in centuries. I think that's what might be doing. Which this one does also. No, this one scans continuous. 13.7, let's watch it. 13.8. 15, yeah, it's scanning the international broadcast bands. And so far it's found 10 signals on the second pass. I'm gonna let it go. This one is finished. The RADDY is finished. And there's 4 point, that's the other one. That's the same one the Tecsun found. And it's good. That it didn't find the 5.010, which I could say conditions could change. So it missed that one. It got to 2.5. That's the same thing, just a different frequency. 6. Okay, didn't get the 589 or the 5935. You got this one. You got that one. Nothing there. Yeah, nothing there. Yep, this is finished. Whoop, stand up. There, we turn this volume back down. You know, I know this is going to be difficult. Okay, 9840. And I don't hear anything. Turn the volume up a little bit. Just noise. 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 Data. Noise. 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 Okay. So, let me get the volume back down. Okay, so the RADDY found, it's back here so it'll stand up. It found 4 stations that weren't noise. They were actually stations, and they were coming in good. Okay, we did a second pass of this one. Let's see what it found. We'll turn the volume back up. 2245. So it says it found 10. That's noise. That's what it found before. That's what I found before. So I barely heard that one, but the RADDY did not. This is 5.010. RADDY did not find that. I can tune it manually later and see if I can hear anything. 2.5. Okay, got that one again. Whoops. Sorry about that. 8.9, found that one again. 935, found that one again. 9330. Now it found 9, pretty bad though, 885. So that's a new one. I found WWV. See, you make another pass, conditions change. Okay, so now on that pass, and like I say, conditions, weather conditions and everything, solar flux can change in a second. Plus, just moving the radios around can affect it. So we got 8, 9, we actually got 9 stations, most of them pretty strong on this radio, the Tecsun PL-330. This one, the new RADDY, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, based on that limited test, the Tecsun did much better. The Tecsun, I can say, is about the same price. The Tecsun has been out for quite a while. It's an older technology. Probably similar, because I think they're both, I'm not sure if they're both DSP. Yeah, DSP. So they're both DSP technology. I like the display much better on the RADDY, even though early production models appear to have a display problem. The buttons on the Tecsun, these buttons right here are tiny and they're hard to push. So that's another simple thing. These buttons are very easy to use. They're bigger, easy to use. Tuning dial on the Tecsun is on the side. The tuning dial on the RADDY is in the back. I like the side tuning dial better. Not a big difference, but some difference. Of course, the RADDY has many more bands that it will scan that you can use. It has a TF card, and it does a record off of the radio onto the TF card. It has a light. Tecsun doesn't have it. So the RADDY has a lot more features. Based on this one empirical test, the Tecsun reception is better than the RADDY. Now, let's go back. The Tecsun this pass did get WWV on 10 megahertz. So let's see if I can remember how to tune this manually. To 10 megahertz. Nope, I'm not in the manual mode. Oh, I changed bands. I'm still learning how to use this. It's got so many features. Okay, nope, that's AM. Shortwave. Now, why can't I direct tune? Can I turn presets off? Oh, gosh. I forgot how to direct tune. Well, I'll be a darn son of a gun. Oh, okay, well, we'll do it the hard way. Let's go. Yeah, we'll do it the hard way. I don't know why I can't direct tune. I've forgotten something here. Still learning how to use this radio. So we're trying to get to 10 megahertz to see if it could have caught it. Whoops. It does tune fast when you're using these buttons. And I went past it, dummy. Okay, we're coming down here to 10 megahertz. Come on. Gosh, I'm sorry for my ignorance of how to tune. Let me turn this down. Okay, and I'll turn this up. Yeah, there it is. So it's getting it. See there? Just moving it a little bit makes a big difference. So now let's try 5.89, which it did not get, and the Tecsun got. Let's see if I can direct tune now. Come on, let me direct tune. What am I doing? I'm in the preset mode for some reason. Now maybe I can tune. What am I doing wrong? I know everybody's yelling at the screen right now. You dummy, push that button. Okay, here's going through the sub-bands quickly. Okay, what do I want? I want 589. I don't want it to scan. Stop. I'm sorry. I should do my homework here. Had so many problems with my internet. Will I ever get to 589? Yeah, I'm going to do some more homework on this radio. There we go. That works good. 589. It's there with a whistle. So I'm going to conclude, be it right or wrong. Let me turn this off. I'm going to conclude that as far as real reception, they're pretty much identical. I think the difference is when this radio, the RADDY, does a scan, it misses some signals. That's my guess. So I would say, this is my conclusion on limited results and my messing up things. The Tecsun PL-330, which is $80, versus the RADDY RF757, which is $80, $80, $80. Same price range, lots more features, newer technology. I would say the RADDY wins. What do you think? Put in the comments, what do you think? Thanks for watching. Sorry for all my messing up. Life has really been confusing with the hurricanes and losing internet. I'm losing my mind. Okay, just bear with me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.